All right, we're going to find the distance between these 2 points right here. And we are going to use the distance formula over here. So I have 2 points, and I'm going to call this one point number 1, and this one point number 2. And you know that x comes before y alphabetically. So same thing with our ordered pairs. This is called x sub 1 and y sub 1 for point 1. And this is x sub 2 and y sub 2. And all I have to do in order to find the distance is take these numbers and plug them into the distance formula. So x sub 1 will go right there, and y sub 1 will go right there, and x sub 2 will go there, and y sub 2 will go there. So let's go ahead and write down the distance formula. The distance, d, is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And now I find it very important to use these blanks and then plug in the numbers, because if you're plugging in a number here that's negative, notice that you'll have 2 negatives will become a positive, and something like that is easy to miss. Now we only have positive numbers here, so let's go ahead and plug them in. First I'm going to plug in x2, which is 11. Then I'm going to plug in x1, which is 7. And then y sub 2, which is also 7. And y sub 1, which is 10. Okay, and now it's just some calculator work to get our answers. The distance equals the square root of 11 minus 7 is 4 squared, plus 7 minus 10 is negative 3 squared. So 4 squared is 16, plus negative 3 squared, in parentheses, negative times negative is positive 9. The distance is the square root of 16 plus 9 is 25. And we know that what the square root of 25 is 5. So that's pretty nice. The distance between these 2 points is a nice integer here.